what the front set would look like. As you can see, it does have FH Group logo on it. It also has an image of the seat covers. And it also has a little compatibility guide right here to let you know if it'll fit or if it not will fit. Inside the package, it does include 2 front seat covers, which is a passenger and a driver. And when I install them, you will see that it is just one solid piece. So once you open the package, it's just a zipper. And like I was saying, it is one whole piece. So you don't have to worry about if you're missing anything. This one only comes with one because the other one is installed already. So this item does work with removable headrests and headrests that just move up and down. So what you would have to do pretty much, you would just take it and put this, well, I'm going to put this over first, but you can do it however you want. Also, attached to one of the covers is going to be a bag of clips for you. So I'm just going to unconnect this. Okay. So, like I was saying, I'm going to start with the headrest, and behind the headrest there is also clips. So once you're done, you're just going to clip them together, okay? Let me show you, and then I'm going to turn it around just for you guys. So the headrest is kind of supposed to wrap around. So like I said, that's why it's good for ones that move up and down or the ones that do come off as well. So it's kind of like supposed to cover the top portion of it a little bit as well. And once you install it, it's going to look something like this. So you would just take these straps and connect them. And I'm just going to push this headrest down just so that you guys can see. All right, so we're going to move to the front real quick. And then, like I was saying, the bag of clips that come with it. So inside the bag of clips is going to come 2 of these as well. Well, actually 4 of these, I'm sorry. 4 of these, one for the passenger, one for the driver. And it's going to also include sorry. There's so much in this one. It's also going to include 2 clips. Like I said, it's going to have 4 in total, but 2 for the passenger, 2 for the driver, and it's just like the regular U-clip. It's no different from the other ones that we have or the other seat covers that we have. Okay? So I'm going to start with these first. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to go to these 2 straps that are here. It's kind of the same as the other one, the ones that we have that are black discs. But these are just a little bit different, but it still does the same thing. So you're just going to put it in like that, and it should look something like that, okay? It doesn't matter. There's about 4 slits, so it does not matter what slit you put it in. It just needs to go in one of that, and it needs to make sure you do it on each side correctly. So don't put one here and then one here, because then it will slide right through. Make sure it is just like this. The opposite one of that you put it in, make sure. So I'm just going to show you with one. So I'm going to take the one and I'm going to slide it right back in between this crease. Once you do so, it should look something like that. And then I'm going to take the other one and show you what it looks like from the back. Okay, looks something like that. Perfect. So as you can see, once you install it, it might look a little messy, and that's perfectly fine. All you got to do is just straighten it out, and if you want, pull on the back clips to make sure that they're nice and tight and everything is in its place. So once you have this nice and steady, and you have it in the direction that you want, or in the position that you want, you would take the 2 clips. Once you take these 2 clips, I don't know if you can see it that well, but at the top, you see how it's kind of straight? So you're just going to have to either pull it apart or twist it, and you need to make a little hole in it. You see how it's a little bit of a hole? Okay. So you're going to take these 2 straps. You're going to make sure that the clip itself is facing in towards the seat. So you're going to put it on the top portion. Oops, sorry guys, it's a little slippery. put it on the top portion. Make sure to close it again or push it back together, whatever way you did it, to make sure that it stays. And you're going to do the same thing with the second one. Okay. And close it so that you make sure it stays together again. And then whatever you have underneath your seat, you can attach it to the seat itself if you want, just like that. Or if you have something that can attach to the underneath of the seat, whatever you have, whatever will work. And that's exactly how you install this seat cover. So I'm going to show you guys what the pair looks like together. And since they are sideless design, it does not matter which one is the passenger and which one is the driver. So I do have a little bit of a reminder for you guys that all of our items, we have a 30-day return policy, as well as a 180-day warranty on all of our products. So if you have any questions about this item or any of the other items or the back bench, please feel free to message us through Amazon or give us a call at our warehouse, which is at 1-800-928-5518. Thanks for watching, guys!